In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up customer journey mapping on Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have a ready-to-use board that helps you track each stage of the customer experience in a clear, organized way. Start in your Monday.com workspace and look for the plus icon used to create something new. Click the plus, then choose the option to start from templates. Using a template is helpful because it gives you a structured board right away, so you can focus on adapting it to your business instead of building everything from scratch. Next, use the template search and type in Customer Journey Map. When you see the Customer Journey Map template appear, select it. Take a moment to scan the preview if it appears, because it shows the layout you are about to add to your account. When you are ready, click Use Template to create the board. Monday.com will generate a new board based on that template, with starter sections and columns already in place. Now it is time to customize the groups on the board so they match your journey stages. Groups are the main sections that organize your items, and in a journey map, they usually represent the big phases a customer moves through. Rename each group to fit your process, and keep the stage names simple and consistent. Clear group names make the board easier to understand at a glance, especially when other teammates start using it. As you adjust the groups, try to keep the stages in a logical left-to-right or top-to-bottom order, so the journey reads naturally. Finally, add the view you need for working with the information. At the top of the board, click Add View. From the list of view types, select Table. A table view gives you a clean, spreadsheet-style way to review and update items quickly. It is especially useful when you want to scan many entries, compare details across stages, or make fast edits without switching between different layouts. Once that table view is added, you have a functional customer journey mapping setup that you can continue refining inside the same board. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.